Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 Hyundai Tucson Active X, stock reference number 5475. This shape runs from the 7th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, does have a cutout for the tow bar, tailgate appears to have no damage, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, module and neck, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both right hand doors appear to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, power fold mirror type. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated control, sat nav, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, non-sunroof type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.